Welcome to my channel. Before we proceed to our pom-pom tutorial, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order to get notified every time we upload videos. Materials that you need for this pom-pom tutorial are yarn, scissors, tissue paper empty rolls. Now let's start making our fluffy pom-pom. Choose the first yarn of any color. I have chosen brown color and wrap it around the paper rolls. Give them about 120 rounds. Now select the next color yarn and wrap it around above the first yarn. Give them about 120 rounds. Now we are done wrapping. We are almost near to the fluffiest ever pom-pom. Now take off the tissue roll very gently so that the yarn remains intact. Tie it tight as shown in the video. Cut the yarn from the sides. Now I'm snipping off the extra yarn to give the pom-pom a neat round shape. Snip off the yarn until it's even from all sides of the pom-pom. I tried my level best to make this pom-pom tutorial as simple as possible. I hope it's now easy for you to make a pom-pom of your own. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Do let us know in comments if you're going to practice making this fluffiest pom-pom.